thousands of pictures gone forever in an instant.
Every time I went to take a photo, I had no space left on my phone, and so I'd have to keep deleting pictures.
I went through so many different phones and lost so many of my pictures. I mean, my wife was heartbroken.
So I decided I was gonna start uploading my photos every day. What a pain. I mean, who has time for that?
My friend, though, told me about PhotoStick Mobile a couple of weeks ago, and this has been fantastic. It backs up my photos and frees up space on my phone.
All you have to do is when I take the photos, I plug it in to my phone and then I plug it into my computer, and guess what? Instantly, it uploads.
I tell you, 3 easy steps. All my photos, my videos are saved, so I don't have to worry about losing my precious memories.
I love knowing that my pictures are safe and I don't have to be frustrated in the middle of an event when I want to go take a picture.
Super easy to use. You don't have to be good at computers or anything like that. I'm certainly not.
Well, thank you, PhotoStick Mobile.
Thank you so much, PhotoStick Mobile. This has been fantastic.